SOFI update here on the 2nd. So obviously horrible 2 days for the stock. If you sold at the very top of yesterday morning, then you did an awesome job because it's been straight down. We had 3 minutes of green for that move. Then it just immediately sold off, bounced a little bit, and then straight down. We are now below every moving average I have on here. So we have the 20, we have the 50, and where's the 10 at? 10's right here, and we have the 200 up here. So that is very bearish, obviously. We don't want to be below those. And let's see, the 10 has crossed the 20 right here. We definitely don't want to see the 10 go below the 20 now. This was bullish for it to cross. We don't want to see it go below. That's going to be very bearish. So the next thing we can look at, let's look at the weekly time frame actually. Weekly time frame, we are at 511. We are also, see the 200, the 50 is up here. Where's the 200 is not going to show up. And we're below the 20 and the 10 as well. So pretty bearish, and this move could have potentially started a curl to break above the 20 on the weekly time frame, but obviously the sell-off is not helping at all. And so now zooming in on the 15-minute time frame, let's just take a look at this move. Actually, let's go to the 5-minute. All right, so we know this is a corrective move. A, B, C, B, parallel lines. We can see that it clearly is not a impulsive move. So that's one thing. So that's the potential that this is actually just a B wave and we're going to go higher. It's possible. It's not likely right now, but it's possible. And if the overall market goes higher, you never know. But I would label this A, B, and then it looks like we have, it looks like a 5-wave move to me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then we got, yeah, it looks like a 3rd wave here. And then it looks like we're in a 5th wave right here. So I think there's a potential that this is actually getting close to a bottom. You would think too. We have a lot of puts at $5 this week, but I look at A, B, it looks like 1, 2, and I would be looking for a 3rd wave right here, ending right here, clear 4th wave right there, and then 1, 2, 3, 4. So potentially, kind of like the chart on the overall market, if you watch my video on there, it kind of looks like that we have one more move down, potentially breaking the low and going to potentially just going to like 497, 493, and then I would expect a bounce. That's what I see on the chart right now. And then if I was looking at this time frame right here, I would consider that I would consider this either the beginning of a move down, so this would be A, and I would be looking for a bounce and a move lower. That's one possibility. Or this is A right here, and this is B right here. So put the A up here, A, B, and if we come down here to like 497, the bottom was at 478, I would expect a move to probably a little bit higher than this, maybe like, if we draw the line here, let's say we go to 497. I would expect something like maybe let's see, we came to 650, maybe like 670. something like that. And that would be A, B, C right there. And then again, after that would be kind of unpredictable. But it also could be A, B, C right here. And then it sells off down. If the overall market were to bounce again, like I kind of think it's going to, then we go down after that. Or there's so many different ways a corrective move can play out. Or it could be A, B, C, pullback, and go higher. So many different possibilities. But the one good thing is this is a corrective wave right here. So we don't know if this is the beginning of a move that's going to go lower, or it's going to bounce to here, or if it's going to bounce to here, pull back, and then go higher than that. So a lot of different possibilities, but it is not an impulsive wave. And so I would say at this point, you can't say that we bottomed. We'd want to see an impulsive move off the lows to tell we bottomed. So that's pretty much what I see on it right now. And yeah, horrible day, horrible couple of days. The manipulation on the stock is insane, and I don't think it's going to end either. I mean, we have our competitors are downgrading us. Morgan Stanley, JP Morgan, they're all crooks, but they're doing what they have to do in order to survive for their business, and they're giving us more opportunities to buy more shares and make more money in the long run if you're patient. So for me personally, I'm selling puts. I'm going to make money on those. Selling calls, make money on those. My calls that I bought earlier in the week, I was doing a spread. They got really the premium got killed after earnings, and I should have sold on the pop originally. I would have made a bunch of money. Held and barely sold any of it and ended up getting kind of screwed. So, but right now I think that we're getting close to the bottom on this move down. So I would say maybe a little bit below $5, and then we're going to bounce, and one of these scenarios will play out. So that's pretty much it for now. But just remember, this is a corrective wave, and so we need an impulsive off the lows in order to say we bottomed. Let me know what you think in the comments. Where do you think this stock is going? Do you think we're going to go? Do you think the market's going to bounce and we're going to go all the way up here to this parallel line? Or do you think we're going to go lower from here? Or do you think we're just going to go here and then go lower? Let me know in the comments. We can start a little conversation, and I'll try to update either tomorrow or the end of the week. All right, have a good night.